Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Yoga Wheel 13 strong and comfortable Dharma yoga prop wheel for inversions and backbends plus online videos. Design you can trust, the 13 yoga wheel is made out of a very durable plastic resin that is tough, impact resistant and has excellent stability under load, up to 440 pounds. Moreover, your palms, back and feet benefit from the textured mat-like cushion for a noticeable sense of comfort and secure grip. Open up beautifully, stretch and fully open your chest, shoulder, back and hips with ease. The Yoga EVO Wheel will support your poses, transforming your practice starting straight from the warm-up. Challenge yourself, you can use the wheel as a prop to build core strength and to test and improve your balance. For more heat, spice up classic postures, modifying them by placing the wheel under one foot or hand. Deepen yoga poses, the Yoga EVO Yoga Wheel is the ultimate yoga prop to help you achieve your yoga goals. The wheel assists you in backbends or inversions, as it props the neck and shoulders and gives you stability. Rest and relax. The wheel is perfect for releasing muscle tension after a long day, as well as to restore your back. Use it to alleviate back pain and reverse poor posture. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.